This video will walk you through how to delete an application that you're not allowed to have in your calculator. As a reminder, you may have and will need the Triola 12 or Triola 12C application for your calculator. You are also allowed to keep the Prob Sim application as well, but all other apps must be deleted before I download the Triola 12 app to your calculator, and all other apps must be deleted prior to you taking your first assessment. So we're going into the memory feature, second, followed by plus sign. And then we're going to select option 2, memory management delete. Remember, you can scroll down and hit enter once it's highlighted as well. Then you notice I did a shortcut here, alpha and math. That's going to go to the letter A, alphabet, then selecting math goes to letter A. Let's see what's under the letter A by scrolling the way through here. And we see under letter A is apps, and that's where we need to go for our management deleting right now. Then you notice that I kept all but one application in here to show you how to delete it out. I'm going to leave the Prob Sim in here on its own, but I'm going to delete the periodic table. So we're going to press the delete key with our cursor next to it, so delete, and then we're going to select option number 2 to confirm the deletion. Now it's gone. This concludes how to delete an application from your calculator, but please understand you may have many applications to delete, so don't wait until the last minute.